How to unlove someone you love very much. I've been asking that question before, and the answer that I've got, the short answer is you don't. But you do outgrow them. Let me explain. Unloving someone implies that you can erase emotions like deleting a file. But love doesn't work like that. You don't unlove someone, you evolve beyond. You stop needing what that love once represented. You stop identifying with the version of you who needed them to feel alive, seen, and worthy. Here's the real process, raw and honest. Not everyone gonna like this. First, stop trying to stop loving them. The resistance keeps the bond alive. Love is not your enemy, attachment is. Let the love exist, but you have to learn how to detach it from the idea that they are the only source of it. Second, separate the person from the emotion. What you actually miss is how you felt around them, how you feel alive, hopeful, desired, chosen, safe, whatever. Learn to identify the feeling, not the person. Then rebuild that state within yourself. Third, let disillusionment do its job. Every heartbreak carries a wake up call. When the fog clears, you'll see who they actually were, not the version you created. You can see who they really are, not the fantasy you made. Fourth, starve the fantasy. Stop replaying the highlight reel, the dream that you and him or her made. Every time you idealize the past, you're feeding a ghost. Practice yourself to start seeing them in neutral tones. No pedestal, no hatred, just truth. Just perceive everything what is. Fifth, reinvest in self creation. Love doesn't die, but it transforms. Channel that same energy into something that expands you. Your craft, your body, your purpose, your life, your expression. It's how you reclaim emotional sovereignty. It's everything about how you use that emotion to create something that you want. Eventually, you'll wake up one day and realize it's not that you stop loving them, it's that your love got too big to fit inside that story anymore.